Back at it in the kitchen once again. This is Uncle Dan's Authentic Salad Dressings, Dips, and Seasonings Summer Games. This is going to be a quick and easy one that almost anybody can do. First and foremost, I'm gonna wash the paws because we'll be using them with food. Wash the COVID off of your hands. This is a cream cheese filled pepperoncini popper with Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasoning mixed in to the cream cheese with bacon on top. Come over here to the cutting board. We'll take ourselves, this is 8 ounces of cream cheese. You will throw that in the microwave in a microwave safe bowl, 20 seconds or so. Take yourself about a teaspoon. I'm going to be using the Uncle Dan's original Southern Classic Ranch. Get it in your favorite grocery store. Go to UncleDans.com, find out where they're selling them. You'll take your cream cheese, kind of warmed up, mix it with a fork, throw about a tablespoon of Uncle Dan's. I'm using the original Southern Ranch. Mix it on up, put it in a plastic baggie like I have here for you. This is just a small example. You'll take your pepperoncinis. You can use yourself a jalapeno if you want. I like pepperoncinis. Just take the top fourth off. You're gonna wanna make sure you kind of get the seeds out of it too. Try to get as much moisture as you can out of it. Drop the seeds. You just take your pipette of cream cheese all mixed in, and here's my mistake. I love cheese a lot. You want to fill it to about 1/2 to 3/4 full, like so. But then you got the topper that us meat eaters love to eat. That would be the one, the only bacon. Go ahead and take your bacon, put it right on top. You'll take all your pepperoncinis. You can probably get about 12 or 13 pepperoncinis out of about 8 ounces. Throw it in an oven, 450 degrees. Hot oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. And then with the help of modern technology, come out the pepperoncini poppers. These are quick, easy, simple, and absolutely delicious. A great finger food that you share with all of your friends. Bacon's crispy, and the cream cheese, you might taste it before you put it in the oven. You're like, okay, I might need a little bit more of Uncle Dan's. The cream cheese just makes the Uncle Dan's original Southern Classic Ranch dressing absolutely pop. Hence the name jalapeno. Or these are the pepperoncini poppers. All thanks to Uncle Dan's original Southern Classic Ranch. And of course, get all your Uncle Dan seasonings at UncleDans.com.